My name is Simon Tasker. I'm the Managing Director of ReAgent Chemical Services. The growth of the business here at ReAgent means we have to continually develop our working spaces. Increases in business, increases in sales mean an increase in demand on all the departments across the company. Engineering in particular is an area where we've invested heavily in equipment and in team members and in our capabilities. Development of our plant and machinery is key to be able to supply to our customers adequately and at the right quality. Alongside increases in engineering, we also have increases in the team members of our office team. The office mezzanine that we put in place was a first floor mezzanine, like adding on to our current office spaces, but we used the ground floor area underneath that to then repurpose to house our goods in and goods out team, giving them a safe environment to operate their computers and also to do their paperwork in rather than in the open environment at the warehouse. In engineering, we're using the first floor of our engineering mezzanine to store a lot of metal parts and component parts for our plant and machinery, so we needed to make sure that they were safely stored and not at risk to anybody. By putting this in place, this increases the efficiency in the team to be able to carry out these repairs and maintenance operations and not delay anything in production. The introduction of the new engineering mezzanine and engineering area not only speeds up the development to our plant and machinery on site and also makes the maintenance of our plant and machinery more effective. It reduces the downtime on the shop floor, so the direct benefit to our clients is that our delivery performance will be maintained at a high level and we'll continue to improve the effectiveness and efficiency of the plant that we've got.